Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Honda Nighthawk 250. This lightweight twin cylinder just arrived with only 18,000 miles. Great condition, 2 brand new tires. It's got some saddlebags, nice silver paint. Come on by and get your lightweight learner bike. This 250 is a great bike to learn how to ride. Only $17.99. No financing available on this. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.